Welcome to the enchanting world of Pakistani cuisine, where flavors dance on your taste buds and stories unfold with every bite. Join us on a journey through the heart and soul of Pakistan as we delve into the most famous dishes and their heartwarming tales. Get ready to savor the culinary wonders that have made Pakistani cuisine renowned around the globe. Our first stop takes us to the bustling streets of Lahore, the cultural capital of Pakistan. Here, we discover the legendary dish that holds a special place in the hearts of every Lahori, the mouth-watering and aromatic Lahori Chana. Lahori Chana is not just a dish, it's a piece of history. It dates back to the Mughal era when it was prepared for the royal court. Today, it brings people from all walks of life together, reminding us of our shared heritage and love for good food. Lahori Chana is a symphony of flavors, with tender chickpeas simmered in a rich blend of spices, topped with tangy tamarind chutney, and garnished with fresh coriander. It's a dish that tantalizes the taste buds and warms the soul. Our next destination takes us to the coastal city of Karachi, where the sea breeze carries the aroma of delectable seafood. Here, we encounter a culinary treasure, the iconic Karachi Biryani. Karachi Biryani is a masterpiece that reflects the city's diverse heritage. It combines the rich flavors of Persian, Mughlai, and Sindhi cuisine, creating a symphony of taste that is beloved by millions. Karachi Biryani is a labor of love, where fragrant rice is layered with marinated meat, infused with aromatic spices, and slow-cooked to perfection. It's a dish that brings families and friends together, celebrating the joy of sharing a wholesome meal. Our journey now takes us to the mountainous region of Pakistan, where we explore the captivating story behind the nation's beloved dish, Chapli Kebab. Chapli Kebab is not just food, it's a celebration of our rugged terrain and resilient spirit. It originated in the Khyber Pakhtunkhwa province, where every bite tells a tale of hospitality and warmth. Chapli Kebab is a culinary marvel, made from minced meat blended with a symphony of spices and herbs, forming a patty that is grilled to perfection. Each bite is a revelation, evoking the flavors of the land and the traditions that have been passed down through generations. Our next stop brings us to the fertile fields of Punjab, where the golden wheat fields sway in the breeze, giving birth to the staple of Pakistani cuisine, the soul-nourishing Sarson Kasog and Makikiroti. According to the Pakistani people, Sarson Kasog and Makikiroti are not just a meal, they are a celebration of our agricultural roots and the hard work of our farmers. It's a dish that brings warmth to our hearts and connects us to our land. Sarson Kasog, a delightful blend of mustard greens, spinach, and other winter greens, slow-cooked to perfection, is paired with Makikiroti, a rustic cornmeal bread that complements its flavors. It's a combination that epitomizes the spirit of Punjab and fills every bite with love and nostalgia. Our final destination takes us to the vibrant city of Peshawar, where we uncover the story behind the iconic Peshawari Karahi. According to the chef, Peshawari Karahi is a dish that reflects the fiery passion of our region. It's a symbol of our bold flavors and the fusion of Central Asian and South Asian influences that make Peshawar unique. Peshawari Karahi is a feast for the senses, where succulent pieces of meat are cooked in a traditional iron wok, known as a karahi, with a medley of spices and fresh ingredients. The result is a dish that captivates with its smoky aroma and robust flavors. Pakistani cuisine is a testament to the rich history, vibrant culture, and the unifying power of food. It's a culinary tapestry that brings together flavors, stories, and people from all corners of the country. Join us on this gastronomic adventure as we continue to explore the enchanting world of Pakistani food, one dish at a time. Thanks for watching. Hit subscribe button and share your thoughts in the comment box.